you're experiencing login failures on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Xbox Series X is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to the network settings and testing the connection. If there are issues, try restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Verify account credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email and password for your Xbox account. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option available on the login screen. Step 3. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve login issues. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller, select Restart Console, and then choose Restart. Once the console has rebooted, try logging in again. Step 4. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and then choose Updates. If an update is available, download and install it before attempting to log in again. Step 5. Contact Xbox support. If none of the previous steps work, it may be time to reach out to Xbox support for further assistance. They can help diagnose any account or console-specific issues that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login issues on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.